This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Trey Decker. Wonderful location in desired Kempsville area on low traffic side of street. This 3-bedroom 2-bath home has a functional floor plan with eat-in kitchen and spacious family room with vaulted ceilings and separate laundry closet. HVAC system is newer and all appliances convey as is. Large primary bedroom with walk-in closet. There is also a first floor bedroom with direct access to full bathroom. Rear sliding door opens to back deck and spacious backyard. Home is conveniently located to great shopping, retail, entertainment, I-64 Interstate and Regent University. Easy to see. Appointment required. For more information, review the details below.